Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Tonight is a cozy after dark clean with me. Things have been a little crazy and stressful around here lately, so I just want to get the house reset for the morning. So join me for a relaxing clean with me and get our houses clean together. Now, let's refresh this house. I love having hot tea at night. Tonight I'm having Bigelow brand orange and spice because I didn't want any caffeine, but the nights where I do need a little boost, I make Earl Grey. It has just a little caffeine that doesn't keep me up at night.
My mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile. Do you have any nightly rituals that help you relax before going to bed? I wonder if any of you have one that isn't usual, like drink hot tea or read a book. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes. This cabinet to the right of our sink is used as a little pantry. Toy storage is prime real estate on this floor of the house, so I would imagine most people might use the closet on the first floor for food storage, but we don't keep an overabundance of backup food, so I'm very happy with our setup. Would you like to see a video on our no pantry solution? There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Up in a painted cup, I will pour my love from a cloud above. So bright I can see the lights, taking you up and above the blue sky. Tastes good to be drinking all of the honey sweet brew of ours. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe.
We use this green apple Dawn for both hand soap and dishwashing soap, so I put it in the pump on our sink. It had been out for days, so it felt good to fill it up for the morning.
How the present comes from dreams. Up in a painted cup, I will paraglide across the sky. Let flowers and tiny hearts shaping a line in the cup of ours. So sweet like a honeybee can buzz around a honey tree. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present comes from dreams. Color in my love, love, love. Color in my love, love, love.
I'm using my 7th generation disinfectant spray on the microwave and countertops. It's my favorite. It has a lemongrass citrus scent and doesn't leave a residue behind. I mentioned before that at the beginning of last year, it wasn't available at our local grocery stores, but now it seems to be always in stock, so my countertops will be streak-free and disinfected whenever I want. I used Endust for the stainless steel because it gets the stainless so shiny and seems to repel smudges for a few days.
With you I am safe and sound. The shadows fade away. Wherever you are, that's where I'll be.
I love using the vacuum cleaner on our wood floors. They are original with the house, 120 years old, and crumbs and dust get in the cracks so easily. I love hearing the little crunchies get sucked up. I feel like I'm doing something.
Shadows fade away, away, away. Shadows fade away. Shadows fade away, away, away.
I feel so good to have the kitchen clean, so I'm going to put away these toys as quickly as I can, straighten up the living room, and fold the laundry that's waiting for me. When that's all finished, I can sit in the living room for a few with my tea before bed.
I follow through the night and put my heart on the line. Yeah, the world ain't black and white. You brought colors in my life. 'Cause shadows fade away whenever I feel you close to me. Shadows fade away. With you I am safe and sound. The shadows fade away. Wherever you are, that's where I'll be. Shadows fade away, away, away. Shadows fade away.
If you have kids, do you also vacuum or sweep daily or multiple times a day? Crumbs are literally endless over here.
Away. Shadows fade away. Shadows fade away, away, away.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it
going to put away the clothes that go into the master bedroom and place the girls' clothes outside their rooms to take in the morning. I try to avoid laundry baskets when possible because they make it too easy for the clothes to stay in them for too long.
Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind.
Thank you so much for being here tonight. I hope you got a lot done or feel relaxed to get started on your own house. I have my hot tea, I'm going to finish it and get ready for bed soon. Have a nice night and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking